Welcome to your PregActive Core Rehab Workout. All you need for today is a cushion. Take a nice deep breath in here and just let it go. Again, breathe deep and release it. One more here, big breath and just let it go. All right, let's grab that cushion. Sitting up nice and tall. Lengthen your spine, take a breath in here. As you exhale, think pelvic floor engages, belly hugs back and squeeze the cushion. And then release. There's one, total of 5. Connect, squeeze, 2. Good. Think about lift of pelvic floor on that exhale, belly, and then cushion. Last one here. Perfect. So release the cushion down, roll onto your side and then onto your back. All right, let's grab that cushion again. Place it up towards the ceiling. Same thing here. So breathe in, expand the belly, and then exhale, connect pelvic floor, belly, and then squeeze the cushion. You've got 5. There's 3. Keep the shoulders back and down. 4. Last one here. And there's 5. Perfect. Release the cushion down. Stay on your back. Take your breath in. Exhale and connect as you lift your hips up. Breathe in, hands up and over your head. Exhale, hips down. Breath in, hands down. Let's do it again. Exhale, lift hips. Breath, arms up. Exhale, hips down. Breath in, arms back down. Perfect. Exhale, connect pelvic floor, belly. Lift those hips. Breath in, arms. Exhale, keep the connection as you lower the hips. Breath and arms. Just a few more. Exhale, lift hips. Breath in, arms. Exhale, hips down. Breath, arms back to normal. Exhale, lift hips. Breath, arms lift. Exhale, hips keep core connected. Breath in, relax. Good. All right, moving on. Lifting one leg and then the other. Make sure your core is connected to do so. Now, exhale, lower. Hold as you lower that foot down, breath in. Exhale, lift the foot back up. Breath in here. Exhale, other side now lowers. Exhale. Breath in there and use your exhale to lift. So we move the leg on the exhalation. And when you're doing that, really focus on your pelvic floor lifting and your belly hugging back. Stay with the leg lowered onto the floor with that breath in, and then use the exhale to lift back. Hands connected to thighs makes it easier. You can now lower the hands down for added challenge. The closer your knees are in towards your chest, the easier this will be for you. If you feel any doming of your abdominals, I want you to stop, take a break, reconnect, and come back into the exercise. Remember, you can always keep your hands on your thighs to assist you. 5 each side in total, alternating legs. And then slowly release your feet back down and rock your knees from side to side. All right, roll your way up and over into an all four kneeling position. Take that breath in. Exhale, connect pelvic floor, belly engages, then lift one knee just off the ground and then breathe in, let it go. Use your exhale, connection through core, and then lift the other leg just off the ground and then let it go. 5 each side. Engage and lift. Good, doing really well. Keep alternating here. Keep your shoulders back and down. Pelvic floor lifts first, then wrap your belly back gently and then lift the leg. Try not to move your hips too much from side to side. And release. Come all the way up to kneeling, grab the cushion. Take a breath in here. Exhale, connection, pelvic floor, belly engage, squeeze the cushion. Let everything go. Exhale, engage and connect. Breath in, let everything go. 5 in total. 3. These last couple, if you want to, you can lower back on the inhale and then come up on that exhale. Breath in, lower back. Exhale and connect. Perfect. Well done. Take a big breath here and just let it go. Well done. In our core rehab program, I don't just show you how to do your pelvic floor exercises. I show you specific techniques to help heal abdominal separation and pelvic floor issues. No more embarrassing leaks. Let's get your body confidence back and your pelvic floor strong. What are you waiting for? Come and join me and other mamas just like you in our PregActive community today.